Hello, garden lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for elevating your outdoor living spaces. Today, let's explore beautifully marries the tranquility of nature with the functionality of modern living. The garden, design featuring an outdoor kitchen. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. Esteemed viewers, and welcome back to Garden Decor Designs. This integration is more than just an aesthetic choice. It represents a lifestyle shift towards embracing the outdoors and extending our living spaces beyond the confines of our homes. Let us delve into the intricacies of this increasingly popular design trend. To initiate our discussion, let us define the essence of a garden design with an outdoor kitchen. At its core, this concept involves the thoughtful and cohesive planning of your garden space to incorporate a fully functional or partially equipped kitchen area. This is not merely placing a grill in your garden. Rather, it is about creating a seamless transition between your cultivated greenery and a dedicated space for food preparation, cooking, dining, and entertaining. The design considers the layout of planting beds, pathways, seating areas, and the kitchen infrastructure itself, ensuring aesthetic harmony and practical flow. It is about crafting an outdoor environment where culinary pursuits and appreciation for nature converge, fostering a unique and engaging experience. Moving forward, let us consider the myriad advantages that accompany the incorporation of an outdoor kitchen within your garden design. Firstly, it undeniably expands your living and entertaining space. By creating a functional outdoor area, you gain an extension of your home, perfect for hosting gatherings, family meals, or simply enjoying a meal in the fresh air. Secondly, an outdoor kitchen can significantly enhance your lifestyle. Imagine preparing meals amidst the beauty of your garden, savoring the aromas of blooming flowers alongside your culinary creations. This fosters a deeper connection with nature and elevates everyday activities. Lastly, it offers a unique and enjoyable way to engage with your garden, transforming it from a purely visual space into an active and interactive part of your home life. Now, let us address the crucial aspect of aesthetics: how to decorate your garden design with an outdoor kitchen to achieve a visually appealing and harmonious look. The key is to create a sense of unity between the kitchen area and the surrounding garden. Utilize natural materials such as stone, wood, and brick for countertops, flooring, and structural elements to blend seamlessly with the outdoor environment. Incorporate greenery around the kitchen area through potted plants, climbing vines on pergolas, or strategically placed flower beds to soften the hardscape and introduce natural textures and colors. Consider the style of your home and garden and extend this aesthetic to your outdoor kitchen. Whether it's rustic, modern, Mediterranean, or cottagecore, consistency and style will create a cohesive look. Pay attention to lighting, opting for a combination of functional task lighting for cooking areas and ambient lighting such as string lights, lanterns, or spotlights to create a warm and inviting atmosphere in the evenings. Introduce comfortable and stylish outdoor furniture that complements the overall design and encourages relaxation and enjoyment of the space. Finally, personalize the space with decorative elements such as outdoor rugs, cushions, artwork, and weather-resistant accessories that reflect your taste and add character. Creating the perfect outdoor culinary haven involves selecting the right elements that blend functionality with the beauty of your garden. Here are 10 essential items to consider for your garden design with an outdoor kitchen. First, high-quality outdoor grill, the undisputed heart of any outdoor kitchen. Opt for a durable grill made from stainless steel, considering the fuel type, like gas, charcoal, or electric, and features that suit your cooking style, such as side burners, rotisseries, or smokers. Second, durable and weather-resistant countertops, essential for food preparation and serving. Choose materials that can withstand the elements while offering an attractive surface. Popular options include granite, concrete, stainless steel, and certain types of outdoor rated tile. Third, Functional outdoor sink with running water. Significantly enhances convenience for washing produce, cleaning dishes, and general hygiene. Ensure proper plumbing and drainage are considered during installation. Fourth, reliable outdoor refrigerator or cooler. Crucial for keeping beverages and perishable food items chilled, especially during outdoor gatherings. Look for models specifically, designed for outdoor use to ensure durability and performance. Fifth, ample and weatherproof storage solutions. Keep your outdoor kitchen organized with cabinets, drawers, and shelving designed to withstand outdoor conditions. Materials like stainless steel, marine-grade polymer, or treated wood are excellent choices. Sixth, comfortable and stylish. Outdoor seating and dining furniture. Create a welcoming space for enjoying meals and entertaining guests. Choose furniture that is both durable and aesthetically pleasing, complementing your garden design. Seventh, effective outdoor lighting. Extend the usability of your outdoor kitchen into the evening hours. Incorporate a combination of task lighting for cooking areas and ambient lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Eighth, protective pergola or awning. Provide shade and shelter from the elements, enhancing the comfort and longevity of your outdoor kitchen. Consider the style of your garden and home when selecting a covering structure. Ninth, thoughtful decorative elements. Personalize your outdoor kitchen and integrate it seamlessly with your garden. Consider outdoor rugs, planters with vibrant flowers or herbs, weather-resistant artwork, and comfortable cushions. 10th, essential safety equipment. Prioritize safety by including a fire extinguisher rated for outdoor use and ensuring proper ventilation for any gas appliances. Consider outdoor-rated electrical outlets with GFCI protection. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best garden design with outdoor kitchen ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One, rustic stone retreat. Feature a stone-built kitchen counter and grill area integrated into a natural stone patio, surrounded by lush, informal planting with herbs and wildflowers. Include wooden seating and a weathered wooden pergola draped with climbing roses. 2. Modern minimalist oasis. A sleek stainless steel kitchen island with a built-in grill and sink, set against a backdrop of clean lines and geometric planting. Utilize concrete pavers, minimalist outdoor furniture, and subtle LED lighting. 3. Mediterranean courtyard kitchen. Incorporate stucco walls, terracotta tiles, and vibrant bougainvillea. The kitchen features a pizza oven and a tiled countertop, with wrought iron furniture and decorative ceramic accents. 4. Tropical paradise cookhouse. Utilize bamboo or thatched roofing for the kitchen area, surrounded by tropical foliage like palms and ferns. Feature a wooden countertop and a simple grill, with colorful hammock chairs for relaxation. 5. Farmhouse garden feast. A large wooden kitchen island with a farmhouse sink and ample prep space, situated within a productive vegetable and herb garden. Include a long wooden dining table and string lights for a warm, inviting atmosphere. 6. Compact balcony bistro. For smaller spaces, a wall-mounted grill and a fold-down countertop with bar stools, surrounded by vertical planters and fairy lights, creating an intimate outdoor cooking and dining nook. 7. Entertainer's Dream Pavilion. A covered outdoor kitchen pavilion with a full suite of appliances, including a grill, refrigerator, and even a bar area. Incorporate comfortable lounge, seating, and integrated sound system for ultimate entertaining. 8. Sustainable edible kitchen garden. Design the kitchen area to be central to raised garden beds filled with edible plants. Utilize reclaimed materials for the kitchen structure and incorporate composting bins and rainwater harvesting. 9. Coastal chic cookout spot. Feature light-colored, stone or composite decking with a white or light blue kitchen island and nautical-inspired decor. Include comfortable wicker furniture and views of the surrounding greenery or water feature. 10. Japanese Zen garden kitchen. A minimalist outdoor kitchen with clean lines and natural wood finishes, set within a serene Japanese garden, featuring moss, bamboo, and carefully placed stones. Incorporate a small teppanyaki grill for a unique culinary experience. The integration of an outdoor kitchen into your garden. Design offers a wealth of benefits, from expanding your living space to enhancing your connection with nature. By carefully considering the design elements, selecting the best items, and drawing inspiration from diverse styles, you can create an outdoor oasis that is both beautiful and functional. We encourage you to explore these ideas and tailor them to your unique space and preferences. Thank you for joining us today on Garden Decor Designs. If you found this guide insightful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring garden design ideas, and share it with fellow outdoor enthusiasts. We love to see your creations, so feel free to share pictures of your garden designs with outdoor kitchens in the comments below. Until our next exploration of the art of outdoor living, happy gardening and cooking.